One of the features that was added in iOS 11, I believe, was the ability to screen record anything that's happening on your Apple device. So that means that if you're running iOS 11 or any more recent operating system, you'll be able to use the screen recording feature to do things like record what's on your screen. You can record any videos, notability files, a whole lot of different opportunities. That's what I've been doing the majority of these screencasts with. In order to do this, you swipe down from the corner and you can see where this flashing red button is. It's not always flashing, it's doing that because I'm currently recording. First thing you need to do is make sure that your microphone is turned on if you're trying to do any narration. So if you press and hold, you'll see this microphone on or microphone off depending on the state of the microphone. This is also where you start and stop recording. I'm currently recording, but when you are beginning this, it'll have a button that says start recording and it'll have a little countdown for you to get to wherever your start point is. This is where you'd go when you want to stop recording as well. So that will save, mine's saving to my photos roll. There are a couple of other options if you have some different apps, but generally speaking, it'll save to your photos. If you don't see this option to swipe and get to the screen recording button in your control center, you can go to your settings. Control center is the button right underneath general in this version of iOS. I think I'm on iOS 13.4, and you can customize controls. If you don't currently have it up, you can see mine's in the middle towards the top. You can press the green plus button to add it to your quick controls. So this will allow you to do things such as if your students don't have Notability on their device because they can't access their iPad, any of those things, you can show them what's happening on your screen. I'll do a little demo here so you're hearing the audio from the video I've created instead of me talking for a second.
Okay, so we are testing Notability to make sure that it works.
And then when you're finished recording, you can always upload to YouTube, put it in your drive and put it on Classroom, whatever format works best for you for your output. But you need to make sure that you go back to that screen recording button, and when you are ready to be done, you go ahead and press on that, and then you can press the stop recording.